Hello, good morning. To discuss about Python code, but to explain why I love so much a text-based environment, just like Emacs, especially Emacs. Um, because I like text-based rather than any GUI, because formatting is really a problem to me, especially in my work. I have to produce report not within weeks, within days, and actually I have to produce within hours, including all the formatting. For example, I'm going to write a report on the inflation perhaps, and I go to Google. Okay, then I would, okay, USA Today. Then I copy the whole thing. All those formatting are really annoying. You go to Emacs, everything becomes pure text. Then I can write it. I save it arc or inflation. Save it arc. Then I produce it. Title. Extract. Link. No. I just copy this. Okay. Go back here and got the link. I'll copy that. That becomes the link. Go and use, watch this channel. That's the link. Of course I can do Python, Selenium, but now just for illustration I do it manually, but to show how Emacs can do it in a very nice way. And title weathers. Alright, okay, copy that and go to the extract. Okay, now I got a nice table. Sorry, because I have a Japanese keyboard and now I really hard to remember by touch typing. Now I got a arc table. Then I can arc export XML to XML. Then I got XML here. Then I go to this XML. We got XML inflation. This is a Linux box. I don't have Microsoft Word, but I can use it. Open that LibreOffice, but actually it's still the same thing as in Microsoft Word. The same thing. So I can zoom in. Can see clearly that table. I got a title, extract, link, the economist box, so and so, extract, and the link. Can go to link. Great. So everything works. Then you save it as doc. Save as docx. Inflation. I don't know, but in Microsoft Word you actually can save it docx and then you can submit it to your boss. My order time zone. So everything is so fast without formatting, but let the editor like Emacs to format for you. Isn't it much better than using a Microsoft Word and then do all that kind of copy and paste and so on? That will get you even more time to do it. But here everything to it. I would say that using what you see is what you get edited actually is like driving. You have a lot of fun, you have a lot of conflict, but you can't do much more than that. But for Emacs, a kind of text-based editor, you can do more than what you see. Okay, that is the beauty of computing. Let computer help you. It's your work for you. You're not working for the editor. Okay. That's it, and next time we'll talk about Python code, but for the moment I just explain why I use the text-based editor and why that's so old school, but actually it's so powerful that I will continue to use it for my daily work, reporting, everything, including Python coding, all other coding. Okay, thank you for listening to the sharing experience, and talk to you again later.